morning, boys and girls. Today I have a quick little story for you. It was springtime, and Mother and Father Bird decided to build a nest. Who can tell me some of the things they might have used to build their nest? Are you thinking? Maybe sticks? Maybe grass? Well, Mother Bird sat on the nest and she laid a beautiful egg. Now, Mother Bird could not leave the egg. She had to sit on it and keep it warm and safe. Even when it rained and the wind blew hard, Mother Bird had to sit there and protect her egg. Fortunately, two little bugs who also lived in the tree made friends with Mother Bird and kept her company. This is one little bug. His name is Jaden. And here is the other little bug, and her name is Jalen. One day, as Mother Bird was sitting on the egg, she heard a little cracking sound. And then she heard some more cracking sounds. And pretty soon, that egg was cracking open. And out came a beautiful baby bird. Happy spring!